this experiment, we're going to use 9 pieces of cloth. First, to this stream, we pour coffee.
We pour approximately 7 teacups of each cleaning agent to each cloth piece. Now we pour oil into these pieces of cloth.
Now we apply the cleaning agent.
Now, while we wait for the other pieces of cloth to dry, we are going to put acrylic paint into this. Wet them a little bit, like this. And then we apply the cleaning agent. These are all the pieces of cloth we try to clean. And it's in this order. This one's clean with Roma soap, this with hand soap, clean clothing detergent, this with Roma soap, hand soap, clothing detergent, Roma soap, hand soap, and clothing detergent. In the ones we put coffee in, the 3 of them are clean. And in all the pieces of cloth, the clean agent that produced the most foam was the hand soap, after that the clothing detergent, and after that the Roma soap. In these 3 are the pieces of cloth we put oil in. They are all clean, as you can see. And these ones are the ones we put acrylic paint in. This one, the one that we cleaned with hand soap, is still dirty. It was really hard to take it out, and this part I could not take out the paint. In this one is half clean, and also this one. I think these 2 are the one that I could clean the most, and the hand soap is not that effective to clean cloth. Okay, now we pour each substance into each cup, and first we are going to wash them with Roma soap. So we pour approximately 100 milliliters of coffee, then approximately 100 milliliters of oil, and approximately 100 milliliters of acrylic paint. We are using approximately 7 teaspoons of each. These are the coffee cups, these are the cups with oil, and these are the cups with paint. They are clean already, and they were very easy to clean. It came out. We repeat the same process with the hand soap. The plastic cup was easy to clean, but the glass cup was a little bit hard, mostly because soap remained in the walls of the cup. The oil cups were really easy to clean and fast, and the acrylic paint cups were the hardest. Finally, we did the same with clothing detergent. All the cups were really easy to clean and fast. The soap that produced the most foam was the clothing detergent. After that, the hand soap, and the one that produced the least foam was the Roma soap.
For this experiment, we're going to use 18 pieces of cloth and coffee, vegetable or olive oil, and acrylic paint. You need to smear 6 pieces of cloth for each substance. We are also going to be using 3 different cleaning agents. In my case is Jabón Roma, which is a biodegradable detergent, liquid soap, and liquid detergent. To perform this experiment, I'm going to take a first piece of cloth for each substance, and I'm going to wash it with my first cleaning agent, which in this case is the Jabón Roma. I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of each cleaning agent in our first round. Okay, I'm sorry for the mess in the background, but after our first round, this is how our cloths look. And as you can see, the first one here, the coffee and the oil stain were pretty much cleaned, but the acrylic paint, you can still see a lot of yellow. Now with the hand soap, the liquid soap, you can see that all of them turned a little yellowish, but it really didn't clean that well. And then I would say this, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but I would say our third cleaning agent, which is a liquid detergent, I think that one cleaned way better, because if you compare, for example, this stain to this stain, that both are acrylic paint, I'm so sorry, acrylic paint, you can see the third one is way more faint. For this last part of the experiment, we're going to do the same process, but we're going to grab half of the quantity of the cleaning agents, and we're going to reduce it with a teaspoon of water, and we're going to see if it makes any difference. For our second part of the experiment, I have here all of the cloths with oil, and as we can see, there is not much of a difference. So now we have this one, which is the acrylic paint, and I don't know if you can see it on camera, but at least in person, This third one, which is the liquid detergent Tide and Downy, it looks a lot whiter than the other ones. The other ones look stained all over, and although this one it has some yellow in there, overall it looks whiter. With the coffee, I can't see much of a difference as with the acrylic paint. My conclusion based on these pieces of cloth would be that Jabón Roma and the liquid hand soap are mostly the same, but Downy and Tide liquid detergent cleans a lot better overall, although it isn't perfect.